Hello and welcome again. This is third video on Google Colab series. In this video, we will see how to integrate Google Colab with GitHub. So keep watching. Hello. Today we are going to see how to integrate your Google Colab notebook with GitHub. To integrate your Google Colab notebook with your GitHub repository, you need to have an account with GitHub. First, go to GitHub website, which is github.com, and there you can press on the sign up button, and then you need to fill up the form. So first put your email, then password, then username, and then press on continue button. Then it will ask you to verify your account, but you need to solve a puzzle. So there is options of visual puzzle or audio puzzle. I select the visual puzzle. So this will send a code to my designated Gmail website. Then you need to put your username or email address, followed by your password. So now you are inside your GitHub account. Here you can create your own repository. Make sure it is public, but you can also have your private repository and you can link that with Google Colab. Create repository. Now if you go back to your Google Colab, then go to tools and from there settings, and then go to GitHub. From here press on authorize with GitHub. Then you need to press on authorized Google Colab. And if you press save, so if you go here and if you say save copy in GitHub, from here you can select your repository. Since we have only one repository, but if you have multiple public repository, you can see all of them. You can also put the name of the file and what kind of branch. So for the time being I'm using my main branch, and the commit message is created using Google Colab. And now if I press OK, so anybody can open a copy of any GitHub hosted notebook within Google Colab. To make it easier to give people access to live views of GitHub hosted notebook, Colab provides this badge, open in Colab. And if you press this button, so first let me close this one, and if I press on this button, open in Colab, then it will open in Google Colab. This is how you can integrate your Google Colab notebook with GitHub. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next time. That's it for today. Stay awesome and I will catch you next time. Thank you again.